Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new on my channel, go ahead and do me the honor by hitting that red subscribe button. All right, in today's video I am gonna be showing you how I created these glasses to go with my red and gold decor, so stay tuned guys. I needed some glitter glasses and I decided to make them myself.
Yo, big up to all of the family and all of the friends. You know, say it's Impress Marcy again. Just watch the video straight to the end. Seeing?
So the first thing you're gonna need for this project is Mod Podge, and you can get that in Walmart, and your glitter, which I'm using red and gold to go with my Christmas decor. I have this painter's tape and also my sponge that I will be working with and my scissors, and also I have this small bowl to pour my Mod Podge in. So the next thing you want to do is place some paper on your surface so that whenever you're pouring your glitter on the glass, the paper will be there to catch the glitter and you can reuse those glitter. And the next thing is, if you're going to be creating a design, you're going to need your electrical tape to use as a guide. As you can see, I am using my electrical tape to create just a simple design because I didn't want my entire glass to be glittered, so the electrical tape is going to be used as a guide as where the glitter should go. All right, so the next step is to apply my Mod Podge. So for my water glasses, I am doing a different design. I just need the glitter to go up a little bit above the stem of the glass. So again, I'm using my painter's tape as a guide to do that. So one advice I would give to you if you want to try this project out, if you want everything to be the exact length and width and all that good stuff, make sure you have a measuring tape and, you know, marking out everything so that it can be the exact length and size or whatever. So now I am just gonna apply my Mod Podge to the area that I need to be glittered and then apply my glitter. So to make it less challenging to hold my glass upright, I'm going to be placing my hand inside of the glass to hold it up so that every single section that has the Mod Podge can get enough glitter that I want on the glass. So I'm just going to apply this first coat and allow it to dry for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'm going to apply another coating of Mod Podge and then another coating of glitter. So guys, in order for me not to create any bulging, what I'm going to do after I apply the Mod Podge, as you can see, I'm using the sponge to kind of smooth it out. Yeah, just to create a nice smooth surface to apply my glitter. So now all the glitter that fell on the paper, as you can see, I am just pouring it back into my container so that I can reuse it. So while I am doing the red ones, my mom is over here doing the gold, and look at the gold, guys. It's so beautiful. This is just the first coating and look at how beautiful it is. I am so in love with this gold. So now that everything is dried, I am just going over and putting on my second coating of Mod Podge, and then I am gonna apply my second coating of glitter. So after applying that second layer of glitter, I just apply a thin layer of Mod Podge on the glass just to seal everything in, to make sure that the glitter stays in place. And remember that the Mod Podge, it dries clear, so no worries. This is what they look like right now while they're drying. It's now dried, and my daughter is now peeling off the electrical tape, and you're gonna have a few little mishaps, a few little smudges here and there, but that's fine. Just use your fingers or a knife to clean that up. So guys, what I would have done differently is right at the very bottom where it's transitioned from glass to glitter, I would have marked that part off as well with electrical tape so that I can have a better finish, a more smoother finish. But otherwise it came out really good. I love the color, I love the glitter, and everything just looks so glossy and so shiny. All I need to do now is to clean it up properly and polish them off. And yeah, this is what they're looking like right now. They just need to be polished, steamed and polished, and all of that good stuff. And also guys, remember, this is not dishwasher friendly. You would have to clean this with your hands, and there's also chemical in the glue, so you want to be careful. Like, you have to wait at least like 28 days or so. I don't remember what's on the bottle, but you have to wait some days before you can actually drink from this, or you can use a straw. So make sure that you clean your glass properly, and please do not put them in the dishwasher. If you want your glass to be dishwasher friendly, you can Google all the stuff that you need to get the dishwasher friendly version. But yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have made it to the end of this video and you have still not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. And just hit the bell beside it, guys, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I have a tablescape, red and gold tablescape coming up that I'm going to be using these glass in. You will see that in early December, so make sure that your bell is turned on. And to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys so much. I couldn't have made this far in my YouTube journey without you guys. So thank you all so much. Stay tuned for my next DIY and my next decorating. All right, bye guys.